there, welcome back to the channel. So it's 4th of July weekend. It's actually Sunday, and we had some fun over the weekend. Started out with going to a Whitecaps baseball game, and went and saw our nephew's race at Berlin Raceway in Marne, Michigan last night, and got to see an exciting 1-2 finish with those boys. We did a lot of yard work yesterday. We were gonna do more today, but we were wore out, and it's hot. It's a hot sunny day, so we didn't want to work in the yard today, so we decided last minute to come out and do a trail ride. So we're gonna get some video, and I'll get the drone out today, get some drone footage, and just stick around, see what we can get into.